life on the theory which contains the maximum truth. We cannot sit still because we cannot or do not know the absolute truth. Never lose your faith in the destiny of India. There is no power on earth which can keep India in bondage. India will be free, and that too soon. It is blood alone that can pay the price of freedom. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. When we stand, the Azad Hind Fauj has to be like a wall of granite. When we march, the Azad Hind Fauj has to be like a steamroller. Life loses half its interest if there is no struggle, if there are no risks to be taken.
Netaji's unique contribution. Apart from the fact that he had tried to be different, much like the revolutionary freedom fighters of the day, and kept up the spirit of fiery leadership in that critical period of India's history. There are also several other ways in which he made his own contribution to his motherland's freedom struggle. The assault by INA, no matter how short-lived it was an important factor that eventually contributed to the British decision to stop their operations and shift back to their own land. This in the end did pave the way for India's independence. After he was banished to Europe by the British, Bose set up contacts between various European countries and India that may not have existed earlier. He also espoused concrete economic planning and showed the way himself. It also needs to be remembered that it was he who set up Rani Lakshmi Bai Fauj, the women's wing of INA, Azad Hind Fauj. At a time when the British were bleeding the country dry with the help of certain insiders, it was his series of radio broadcasts from Berlin that at least attempted to keep the spirits of the country up. Netaji, without a shadow of a doubt, remains one of the most key figures in the history of India's independence.
My dear young friends, there are certain timeless truths that I would like to share with you. Life loses half its interest if there is no struggle, if there are no risks to be taken. Man, money and materials cannot by themselves bring victory or freedom. We must have the motive power that will inspire us to brave deeds and heroic exploits. Never lose your faith in the destiny of India. There is no power on the earth which can keep India in bondage. India will be free, and you need to reclaim its glory. For what not the grossest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. Let's say it together. Jai Hind!
हवाओं में वो आग है कि जल उठे चराग है. हवाओं में वो आग है कि जल उठे चराग है.
हवाओं में वो आग है
कि खोलने से ख्वाब है.
चलो दिल उतार के तिरंगा संभाल के
युद्ध की कहानियां लहू की है जुबानियां.
चलो दिल उतार के तिरंगा संभाल के
का पथ समक्ष है, समय भले विपक्ष है। विजय का पथ समक्ष है, समय भले विपक्ष है।
विजय का पथ समक्ष है,
स्वतंत्रता